So this video is sponsored by African Recipe and Pastry. For every event in Istanbul, Turkey, this is your plug. They do all kind of African dishes. Is it fried rice, jollof rice, meat pie, suya, akara, birthday cake, wedding cake, any kind of food you want, yam porridge, small chops, any kind of food you want, they are at your service and she delivers. Is it food for your wedding, for your birthday, for any kind of event you want? She is your plug. As I'm even talking right now, this is her food. The food is so nice. Please patronize her, and I'm going to be putting her information in the description below. So if you're in Istanbul, Turkey and you need homemade food, she's your plug. If you just feel, oh, you're tired, you can't cook, or you don't have anybody to cook for you, or you don't know how to cook, just go to the description below, search for her number and call her. And when you call her, tell her you got her number from Tameeza on YouTube. Let me just dig into this food, because before it gets cold, I need to dig into this food. African Recipe and Pastry is your plug for any kind of food you want, and you won't regret it. You will always come back. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is this girl, it is that girl, Tameeza. This video is like a weekly vlog kind of thing. I have hair to make. I just want to pack my bag and show you guys what I put in the bag. I put this which is water and coconut oil. This contains every tools I use for the dread is inside. So I go with coconut oil just to, you know, apply it after making the hair. So this is just cream. So after washing my hands, I apply it so my hand won't be ashy. So yeah, you know that I've shown you guys what is inside my work bag. Start going. I already have the location, so I'm just going to do whatever I have to do and get going. So I'll see you guys. So hey guys, I'm done with the hair and I'm on my way home. Actually, I want to get mirror. I said this in one of my videos that my mirror broke and I've not gotten mirror. So, and my customer gave me this drink. He gave me this drink, this cold chill drink this afternoon. Whatever. They have this kind of mirror and I don't want this kind of mirror. I'm home and I just want to show you guys what I got from the store I entered. This mirror, I told you guys I don't have mirror in the previous video, and this airband thingy, and this scarf. I got it because it's colorful and I can make use of it like this, you know, those kind of stuff like this. So yeah, that's what I got, and I'll see you guys anytime I pick up the camera to vlog. Good morning guys. Yeah, after yesterday I couldn't pick up my phone, but from yesterday, remember the shop I went to that I entered? I think, yeah, the man noticed my camera and the man was like, "You a YouTuber?" I said yes, and he corrected my YouTube channel name and he subscribes to my channel. So yesterday I get a subscriber. I have to go to where they repair phone. I'm not sure if they can repair what I want to repair. There was a time my camera fell on the floor, but thankfully it didn't break. The camera fell, and here from the viewfinder, see this is coming up, the screwdriver. The screwdriver here, the bolt screwdriver has come off. Hey guys, I just got to where I'm going to fix it. So it said 2 minutes. So hopefully, yeah, they can fix it. Like, I'm so tired. The hill climbing in Istanbul is real.
Abi hoş geldin. Aleyküm. Bu Wi-Fi şifreyi şey yaptılar da kırdılar. Nasıl?
Yok problem.
İyi tamam.
Abi ne kadar?
Yok.
Oh, teşekkürler
Rica
abi.
ederiz.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Güle
Teşekkürler.
güle güle güle.
Güle güle.
Bye bye.
Yeah, so I'm hungry. I feel like eating their snacks for breakfast today. So, what their snacks? The cheese one, because that's the only one I can eat. I've been obsessed with anything with cheese lately, so. Never. People to look at you very weird. Very weird. Guys, so I'm home. The man that did this camera thingy for me didn't collect any money. This is it. Yes, fixed it. He didn't collect any money, so I'm grateful for that. Let me show you guys my coins collection. Any change, any coins I get, I just throw it inside this jar, and it's heavy. So I'm looking forward to changing this thing. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and I want to make another YouTube video. I have another YouTube videos I want to make. I know my face is ashy. I've not done my skincare. By the time you guys are watching this video, I will have dropped this particular video I'm getting ready for. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is this girl, it is that girl, Tameeza. Hey guys, I'm done shooting the video. I still have another video to shoot. I'm still going to be wearing this outfit. God, Miss Peck. Like, see, I'm so short, so spicy. So I'm just going to clear up this mess. See the mess. The mess. Hey guys, this is Friday afternoon, and yeah, the vlog will be ending today anyways. I just had my shower. I'm going to my friend's place. She gave birth on Sunday, so I'm just going to her place. Say hello. Hello. Say how are you? It's fine. Ah, this baby is so funny. She's just 2 years, but she's very, very smart. Hey, say how are you? It's fine. It's fine? She's so smart, like to the extent that when you sneeze, she says bless you no matter where you are, but she hears you sneeze. You guys watch this, watch this. You. Thank you, baby. So this is the amazing kids and babysitting today. She's my friend's daughter. In Turkey, yeah, if something happens, like maybe something happens that you don't like, Turkish people, they say Allah Allah. Something fell down yesterday from me, and then the next thing she says what? Allah, like, sis. Hello. Oh, hey guys, I just got back from my friend's place actually, so I just want to shower and be fresh again. I'm just going to end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video or my previous ones. You know, anyone you click, you always see me. You always meet me there. So yeah, bye.